Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I did a small perm rod set on my natural hair. So I used the Nairobi Rapid Shine Mousse. It's called Lotion, but it's a mousse. Anyhow, so I put that on my section, and then I comb through with my dimming brush, and then I go through some sections with a rat tail comb. I take that roller and I get it to the end, and on this perm rod set I do a corkscrew method, so I kind of wrap my hair around the roller. It kind of gives like corkscrew looking curls, and so I make sure I get my end smooth around the roller, and then I just wrap it up. And you want to make sure that you get your ends really damp, because your ends are the oldest part of your hair, and so you want to make sure that they don't come out looking just dry looking. So that's why you really want to make sure you have enough product on the ends of your hair. Also, before you put the mousse on, you want to make sure that you comb through to make sure that your hair is detangled before you put the product on, because what I noticed about this product was that it's kind of hard, and what I mean is it's hard to comb through. So it's just better to make sure that your hair is just detangled before you put the mousse on, so you can make sure your hair is detangled. So yeah, then I just do this process all over my whole head. The key is just making sure that your hair is sufficiently wet, making sure your ends are wet, making sure that your ends are smooth around the roller, like I'm doing right here. I make a point to smooth my hair around the roller, and then like twirl the roller at the end to make sure that that's happening. And so I clip this perm rod set on the scalp side so that the roller isn't like flopping around and it's secure. So yeah, in this roller set I used the smaller rollers, and the other ones before I think I've used either medium or larger size rollers, which gave bigger curls. I think I like the medium size or larger size curls better, because these are so small they're almost the size of my natural curls. But anyhow, this is what my hair looks like once I have all of the rollers in. My hair is shiny, and it's set really well. I sat under the hair dryer for about an hour and a half. I probably could have sat a little longer, but I get a bit impatient after sitting under the hooded hair dryer for an hour and a half. So yeah, when I unravel these, like I unravel it like in a corkscrew method, like in the same way that I rolled it. Now I'm just taking each curl and kind of just separating it where the hair naturally wants to separate. I try not to create any additional frizz. And I got a little bit of frizz from rushing when I was taking the rollers out, so be sure to take your time. So what I'm doing here, I'm just picking through my hair. You don't have to pick through your hair. Usually I don't like to do it because your hair won't last as long. And actually I don't think it makes that big of a difference in my opinion. If you sufficiently just separate your curls, that should be enough. Hey guys, well these are my final results. I thought my hair was shiny, bouncy, and had a lot of body. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.